because
You got my money?
yeah.
I was just about to find that out. I got things under control. Now let me do what I do.
Control. Yeah, that's what it looked like when we busted in here. Yeah, well, let me do what I do.
What do they mean, your money, Lou?
Ain't nothing even in them things.
Which asks too many questions. How you been, Dave?
I wish I could go on that other side. I wish I could go on that other side.
One money, man. What are you talking about? You know.
I wish I could go on
Go.
that other side, Corinne. He's talking like he's just mad at the wall.
Where is it? Now!
It's under the couch, baby. Just give him the money.
Good boy.
Here's the money. Here's the money. Don't kill us, okay? I'm pregnant. Just wait. Okay, just take the money.
We gotta put that on you. God.
Just take the money.
God, dog, Corinne, I hope you getting it out. Put that shit. God, dog.
Messed up, Frankie. What a mess.
God, dog. Corinne, he started shaking.
Ooh.
God, dog, man. I wish I could have went behind him and just had some grass in my hand.
Before you act. Life is about decisions.
Ooh.
God, God, Corinne, you see how he just started shaking, man.
Now what you gonna do?